Alrighty guys, so I got you guys on the GoPro. I'm not sure exactly how good you guys will be able to hear me, but yeah, I got her all warmed up. This is how she looks, pretty good. So let's take her for a little rip. Super low geared. It's kind of crazy. Super bouncy, super like springy. Might need a little adjustment, but doesn't seem like she wants to rev out, so may have to adjust the top end a little bit. Super overgrown back here. This is super slow without a, or super sketchy without a back brake. I keep forgetting. Front brake works pretty good though, not gonna lie. I'll have to make like a time track out here. That'd be pretty rad. Then just take out the different bikes out here. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, tree down. Thorns. This is a little treehouse project I abandoned a couple years back. But if you guys want to see more on that, definitely comment down below. That'd be a pretty cool build. So, gotta finish that. Maybe do like a zip line or something down through the woods. That'd be pretty rad. But I don't know. Just let me know in the comments, definitely. Alright, let's fire this thing back up. She's running pretty good. I mean, just other than that, she won't really rev out. But other than that, it's pretty good. Not too bad. Big spider web with the spider on it. I hope it's not on me. That is sketchy. Had a little turn track going here for a while. So sketchy. Must have had a pretty big storm come through to knock out all those trees. That's kind of crazy. We'll definitely have to come back here and mow this sometime, and then trim up all the branches and whatnot. Super grown up, pretty crazy, but yeah, it's not too bad. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. This thing runs pretty good. Not too shabby. We'll definitely have to get a big bike out there on the trails and maybe do some time trials or something. But yeah, she runs pretty good, not too bad, honestly. A few things that need to be fixed. Need to tighten up this chain. It's a little loose. Definitely get a cover for that stator. Carburetor's not leaking anymore. Either is the petcock, so my little ghetto mod must have worked. Tires are holding air, but the back one's definitely a little bald, so that'll need replaced. Definitely need new plastics. It's kind of ghetto, but yeah, overall it's a pretty solid bike. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.